Hello students, today we are taking our topic determiners. First of all, what are determiners? Determiners are the word which define a specific nouns. Determiners वो words होते हैं जो nouns को define करते हैं. Now there are 6 types of determiners: articles, demonstrative, distributive, possessives, interrogative and quantifiers. We will discuss about them one by one. Let's take articles first. Articles are 3: a, an and the. First take a and an. A and an are indefinite articles and they are used with singular countable nouns. So where to use a? A is used with consonant sound. Any word that starts with consonant sound, and an is used with vowel sound. Now the is definite article and there are many places or many things with which we use the. For example, first is particular thing. कोई भी पर्टिकुलर थिंग और पर्सन के लिए हम द यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बॉय हु इज़ सिटिंग ऑन द बेंच इज़ माई कज़न. हेयर द बॉय इज़ पर्टिकुलर, स्पेशली द बॉय हु इज़ सिटिंग ऑन द बेंच, दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग द. नेक्स्ट इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज. with superlative degrees we use the. For example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Next is unique things, the things which are unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. Next is famous posts. For example, the president, the prime minister, the director, the pope, etc. Now the is used with also many things like mountains, rivers, newspapers, name of the trains, holy books, etc. So this is the topic of articles. Now let's take demonstratives. There are 4 demonstratives mainly: this, these, that and those. Now these and these are used with the things or person which are nearby, which are close to you, and that and those are used for the thing or person which are at a distance from you. So nearby things, for nearby things we use this and these, and for the things that are at distance we use that and those. Now this and that, these are used with singular, and this and those with plural. One more thing, this and that we use them with uncountable nouns. For example, this water is contaminated. So students, today we have discussed about articles and demonstratives.